Hello everyone, I am Shubham Changude. I welcome all the HODs, all the faculty members and our beloved students in the today's session. Today is a day which is second day of hands-on session on the AutoCAD, and today's lecture is delivered by Ms. Sukhada Shelar. She is having a 6 years of civil engineering field experience as well as the teaching experience. So be with her. She will explain very fluently what is the AutoCAD software. So let's start with the hands-on session of AutoCAD software. Thank you. Over to Sukhada ma'am.
Thank you, Shubham sir, for introducing me so well. Good evening to all the participants and all my dear faculty members. I will conduct today's practical session of AutoCAD. So, without wasting much time, we will start with the practical session. Okay, please concentrate, students, as every command is necessary for your drawing. Okay, in AutoCAD. So, let's start with the practical session. Sir, my voice is audible to all? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
yes, yes.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. AutoCAD screen is visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So students, this is our AutoCAD welcome window. When you will open the AutoCAD icon on your laptop or desktop, this welcome window will appear. Okay, now tell me, how many of you practiced line plan yesterday? As Shubham sir has given you all the details about building planning, drawing, and also about AutoCAD. So you must have experience, you must have practiced line plan. Please reply in chat box how many of you practiced or आपने ड्राइंग किया है पेपर पे या फिर लैपटॉप पे. एनी वन ऑफ यू? Anyone? Is there any message, Shubham sir? Hello?
All
Yes,
are
ma'am.
saying
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
madam. Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Go
let's
ahead.
start with the practical session of AutoCAD. So these three icons will appear after you will open the AutoCAD software in your laptop. Okay, first is get started. I will just quickly introduce you to the features of AutoCAD screen. Okay, this is get started, this is recent documents, and this is connect. Generally we require get started and recent documents. With get started we will start our new we will open our new file of AutoCAD. In recent documents you will find your earlier saved files. अगर आपने कुछ पहले ड्राइंग किया है वो सेव किया है, that will be in recent documents. Okay, and this connect is for the अगर आपको आईडी क्रिएट करना है, आपके ड्राइंग्स आपको यूट्यूब पे डालने हैं, then this icon you will require. So we will start with the get started icon and we will do practice. Okay, so I have clicked on get started. Please have patience as AutoCAD software required more time to open and more time to generate its commands. Okay, now you can see here the window workspace of AutoCAD. Just a minute, it's opening. Okay, so I will quickly introduce you to the various commands of AutoCAD, just because it requires to start before our drawing. Okay, so now today we are practicing 2D drawing, that is line plan. We will be doing line plan on 2D in AutoCAD. Okay, so this is our workspace area. My screen is visible to all now? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first, AutoCAD interface. That means which version you are practicing. Here you can see Autodesk AutoCAD 2016. My version is of 2016 year. Okay, and near to that, here you can see one quick access toolbar, or we can say it's drop down menu. I have clicked over drop down menu. You can see here new, open, save as, various icons. Those which are click, those which are tick, these are available. All these options are available here. Okay, new, open, save as, print, every option is available here. I cannot zoom this window. I can only zoom this workspace. Okay. So I guess it is visible to all. Okay. So in this quick access toolbar, these two options are necessary. That is workspace. When I will click on workspace, this drafting and annotation window will open or it will close. Okay. Again, I will click on workspace. You can see here drafting and annotation window has opened. In drafting and annotation window, you will select whether you want to work on 2D or whether you want to work on 3D. Okay. If you want to work on 2D drawing, you will select this drafting and annotation. If you want to work on 3D, then you will select 3D modeling. Okay. Then the few of the commands will change. So today we are working on 2D drawing. So I will click on drafting and annotation. Clear? All of you, please message in chat box. Okay. So these are some of the commands. As Shubham sir has already told you about line command, about rectangle command, we are using line command today for making line plan. Okay, line plan of a simple house so that you will better understand. I have one line plan that I will told you after some time. Okay, so these are the draw commands. Line, polyline, circle, arc, rectangle, everything will be in draw command. Whichever option or whichever figure you want to draw, you just have to click over it and then click on the workspace and you will be able to draw that command or draw that figure. Okay, it's very simple. AutoCAD is very simple to understand and very simple to learn. I'm sure 10th standard students are listening it very carefully because I have observed on their WhatsApp group also that they are doing so well from last week. They are very interested to learn. So they will easily learn, and also our first year students. Okay. So this is drawing command. We have various modify commands in AutoCAD available. That is erase, trim, offset, that we are going to see one by one. But everything is available in this workspace area. You have to just click on that icon and you will able to use that command. Okay. Then this is X. I will just, this is X and Y. Everybody knows that, yes or no? Anyone? X and Y are coordinates. These are called user coordinate system in AutoCAD, UCS. This is x-axis and vertical is y-axis. This is for our requirement. This is for drawing requirement. This is to guide us for perfect drawing. Okay. This icon you can see here. This is view cube. It will show you the directions, that is north, east, south, and west. These are mostly used, or these are used in the 3D drawing. You will probably see this in tomorrow's session. Okay, for 3D drawing. This icon is navigation command. Navigation command which gives you various commands like pan or zoom, but we can easily do it with our mouse. Pan or zoom, everybody can see. Yes or no? Please write in your chat box. Shubham sir, it is visible, no?
Yes, madam. Go ahead.
Okay. Okay. Now this blank, you can see here blank line, that is command bar, which gives us lots of guidance to our activities. Suppose I have to draw line. I will type here L, simple L, and then enter. You can see here that command line shows line specify first point. It will give us the guidance to for our next activity. Specify first point. I will specify first point. Okay. Then it will also show at the point of your mouse or at the point of your click, that is specify next point. You can specify here next point, that will be line. It's very easy and very easy to learn. Okay, as I told you earlier also. You can simply select and press delete, it will get delete. Okay. Then these are the toggle keys, Toggle, toggle keys. These are most important. We can say few keys are most important for the 2D drawing. As you can say in our workspace here, these are grids. Like हम लोग अपने ग्राफ में देखते हैं वैसे ही यहाँ पे लाइंस है, वर्टिकल लाइंस एंड हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइंस, लाइक ग्राफ. If you want to remove that, we can remove it with this icon. Which icons are in blue? Those are open. Which are not in blue? Those are off. So if I will off the grid mode, that lines will disappear. Have you understood all? I'm not getting, actually, I can't see the chat. So please reply in chat. Have you understood, or shall I start next point? Okay. Then this is ortho mode. Ortho mode, when I click or when I on ortho mode, it will help you for the, suppose I want to draw a line. I will click on the line. I will select one point and it will go straight. On whichever direction you want to draw, that direction, that line will become straight. It will draw straight. Okay. But if I will off the ortho mode and I will draw a line, then it will be of any direction or any angle. It will be in any angle. It cannot go straight. Okay. So for line plan, we will on ortho mode for our easy drawing. Okay. Please remember or please concentrate on these modes because I am going to ask you afterwards. This is ortho mode, which I have on ortho mode. Okay. Now let's start with the actual line plan or very easy line plan that you can also practice in your house today. Please reply how many of you install AutoCAD software in your laptop or desktop, so that you will easily understood or you will easily practice it at your home. Okay. So I will show you one line plan which I have and that we are going to draw. Like Excel sheet, we also have here file tabs like start, whichever drawing you have saved earlier, that will be here. Then drawing, then you can also open new drawing, new file. Everything will be in this entire workspace. Okay. This line plan we are going to draw it today. You can see here entrance, very big room sizes I have given so that you will easily understood the drawing. Okay. This is entrance, this is living room, kitchen, bath, WC, bedroom and lobby. Very simple line plan. Okay. Okay. So in new file, we will start with this line plan. So before starting with the line plan, we have to do few settings in this our workspace or in AutoCAD. First, we will do our most important setting, that is units. Okay. As I have shown you that living room is a 4 by 5 meter. That we have to tell AutoCAD that we want to draw in meters, right? So how we will do that? Just type UN on your keyboard and enter. It will give you the icon of units. Can you see it? Shubham sir, can you see it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this drawing unit icon has opened. You can see here, I have clicked to the scale. Various types of units are there: inches, feet, miles, millimeters, centimeters. Whichever you want to draw, whichever unit you have with your drawing, that you have to click. Now I am using, or I am clicking on meters. We will draw in meters. Okay. I have clicked on meters. I have selected meters. Then precision, we will go with the 2. Precision means on point, after point, how many units you want, how many precision you want. That will be 2 precision. Then you just have to OK it. our unit has been changed. Okay. Then one more important setting we have to do is, here you can see, suppose I will click here. I will click here to here. This shows, you can see here, 175 meters overall distance. That means how much is your drawing, like you say, आप लोगों ने सुना होगा कि ये जो बेडरूम, ये जो फ्लैट है या जो बिल्डिंग है, ये इतना इतना स्क्वायर फीट है, तो दैट square feet workspace area you required to draw that particular drawing. So how that we will do that? We have to set the limits of our workspace area. For that also, we just have to type LIM and enter. This will give you, or this will ask you, specify lower left corner. You can see specify lower left corner. That means coordinates he is asking about. Then we just have to type 0. Suppose these two icons it will show, then you have to type it first 0, then comma, again 0, again enter. Then it will show you specify upper right corner. I want 50 by 50 meters of workspace enough for my line plan, so I will type 50 comma 50. Okay, are you getting me all? Please write in chat box whether I am audible or whether you have any problem understanding this commands. Please let me know, and then just enter. Okay, and then for proper workspace we need to zoom all. For that we have first type Z, enter, A, enter. Okay, good. Now our workspace is also available for the line plan drawing. Now let's start with the actual line plan drawing. Okay, so first here it is entrance 4 by 3 meters. We will go with the, I will select line command, then I will select specify first point. You can see here command bar is giving us guidance, specify first point. I will select any one point here. Then in which direction you want to have the line, you just remove your cursor or remove your go your mouse with that direction I'm giving here, and just type 4 by 3. Can you tell me in 4 by 3 which dimension is horizontal and which dimension is vertical? Our entrance is 4 by 3 meters. 10 standard students, can you reply? 4 is vertical or 4 is horizontal, or 3 meters is vertical or 3 meters is horizontal? Anyone? Anyone has replied, sir? Hello?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Okay. So in 4 by 3, suppose a room is of 4 by 3 meters. That means 4 is horizontal dimension and 3 is vertical dimension. Okay. So I will just type 4 and make enter. That will be our 4 meters line. Then 3 meters. We will go upper side. Again, we have to just type 3 and enter. Again 4 and enter. And again 3 and enter. Done. Then if you have to left that command, you just have to type, or you just have to click escape on your keypad. We'll be having this entrance of 4 by 3 meters. You can also draw this with the rectangle command. Okay. Now the next is living room, that is 4 by 5 meters. Now we will draw it with rectangle 4 by 5 meters. Okay, now I will click on the rectangle, and then I will specify first corner point. I will specify this point, and then I will type my dimensions, that is 4, 5, and enter. Can you see it? Our living room is ready. Okay. So the next room is kitchen. Kitchen is 5 by 4 meters. We can also draw it with rectangle. 5 by 4 meters. I will specify over the living room. Specify first point, then I will type my dimensions, that is 5, 4. Okay, this will be our kitchen. Very easy, very much understanding, right? If you don't understand, we will again repeat this command. Please let me know. Then the most important part, that is bath and WC. Can you see the dimensions? Bath is of 1.2 by 2.1 meter. So here I will repeat the line command. I will give the first point. Here I will do 1.2 and enter. Again, I want 2.2 mouse and type 1.2. Our bathroom is ready. Then escape. Done. Then the next is WC, which is of 1.2 by 1.2. Again, I will repeat line command. Again, I will give point 1.2, enter, 1.2, enter, and again 1.2, enter. Is it okay? Understood this much? Please reply in chat box so that I will go further. Our half portion of line plan is ready. Then next is bedroom. 2 bedrooms, one is of 4 by 5 meters and other is of 5 by 4 meters. Very easy, simple plan I have taken so that you will understand. Bedroom is of 4 by 5 meters. So which dimension is horizontal dimension in 4 by 5 meters? Can you please tell me? Okay, so again I will repeat line. I will give the point. I will type 4, enter. 5, enter. 4, enter. And 5, enter. Our 1 bedroom is ready. Then we will go with our second bedroom, that is of 5 by 4 meters.
Hello.
Okay, so I will hello, yes. Any problem?
No, yes, continue, ma'am.
Okay, for horizontal dimension, we'll go with the 5 meters. And again, vertical dimension, 4 meters. Have you understood? Now, this opening you can see, we will directly join this to the another bedroom. Our second bedroom is also ready. Now I will escape the line command. Okay, I will just click on escape. Almost our plan is ready. For lobby portion, you can see here, this is lobby I have given. We just have to join these 2 points with a line. Okay, I will just join these 2 points and our lobby is ready. Our line plan is ready. Do you like it all? Are you interested to learn AutoCAD? Okay, now the next point is to give the names to every room. Okay, I will tell you how to do that. First is entrance. You can see here A, text. You just have to click, then it will ask you for the specify first corner. You just have to click here and then again click. It will give you the text box. Okay, can you see it? Shubham sir, it is visible, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I am typing here from your keyboard. You just have to type 4/4x. Just 4/3 meters. Okay. Now, suppose if I have type here entrance, and we don't want to type again and again, or we don't want to select point in every room. What we have to do is we can copy this text to each and every room, and then we can edit that text. Before that, I will just show you again the text. You can increase the width in your appropriate proportion, or your this is our kitchen. I will just type kitchen, which is of 5/4 meters. Okay. So this kitchen 5/4 meter size, you can increase here from here. Now it is 0.2. If you want to have 0.10, or if you want to increase it, you can increase. I will go with 0.25. Okay. And just you have to click outside that window. Our text is ready. Kitchen 5/4 meter. Okay. Now in each and every room, we will copy this text and we will edit every dimension and every room name. Okay. So you just have to select, or you just have to click this copy icon or copy command, and you have to select and then enter, and it will ask you for the base point. You just try to click anywhere on here, and it will copy you in any room. Okay. This is our living room. This is our bedroom. Now, can you observe this line is going straight? I cannot copy this text in this bedroom or in lobby. Why is it so? Can anybody tell me, so that I will be satisfied that you are listening me carefully? Why it is happening? Why this line is going straight? Anyone?
Students are
Ortho
saying
mode, ma'am.
ortho mode is off.
Yes, good. Or if I will off the ortho mode, I can easily copy it to anywhere. Okay. Very good. So that you are listening and you are understanding. Good. Now we will edit all the names. So first is entrance. You just have to click here, and it will give you the text window. Right? You just have to double click on that text. Now I will edit it to entrance. That is 4/3 meters. Like in your WhatsApp or in your mobile, have you typed? That will help you surely. 4/3 meters. Okay. Our entrance is ready. Now this is what? Which is this room? Can you tell me? Living room of 4/5 meters. 4/5 meters. I'm sure better than me, you all people will do this, as you are very much familiar with the technology. Now this is kitchen. We have already typed it correctly. Then this is our bathroom. path is of 1.2 to 2.1. 1.2 by 2.1, right? Now this bathroom is very small and our text is very large, so we can minimize this so that it will adjust in our room. I will go with the 0.1. Okay, now it is visible in our room. Here also we will do that. This is our WC. Is of 1.2 by 2.1. We will also go with 0.1. Okay, and enter. You just have to enter after doing your activity. Okay. Now this is our bedroom, which is 4 by 5 meters. Just click on the text and double click on the text and it will open the window and you can edit it. 4 by 5. And just click outside that box. Now this is again our next bedroom. I hope you all can see because I've zoomed our window. 5 by 4 meters. Enough. Our line plan is ready. Now I will show you how to change the color. If you want to change the color of your text, you can change from. You just have to select it, select the text, and here you can see by layer. By layer command, that is a properties command. Here you will get all the properties, your as Shubham sir has shown you yesterday, that dimension, sorry, line types, that also I will show you. Now here by layer you will get all the colors you like. I will go with the red color. Kitchen name will be of red color. Have you understood? We can change the color of our dimension. We can change the color of our line also. Now you can see here in our line plan, here it is dotted line. Anybody can tell me what dotted line shows here? What's your students? That dotted line is of plinth line. In line plan, we show that plinth line of our house. Okay, so we will draw this plinth line so that you will understand how to create dotted line in AutoCAD. So the next command which I'm going to tell you, that is offset command. This is offset command. Offset means, suppose I draw here one line and I want to draw same line near this line or same line with some distance in this line. You just have to click the offset command. It will ask you for offset distance. कितने distance के बाद आपको दूसरी line चाहिए? You just have to I will go for 1 meter and enter, and then it will show you the select object. We just have to select this line and enter. Sorry, something has changed. Okay, I will show you in this again. Offset, I'll just go with the 0.3 or 0.5, enter, select object and specify point. Can you see it? The next line has already been there with the offset command. Okay, so with the use of this offset command, we are going to draw our plinth line. I will delete it. Just select and press delete from your keypad. Okay. So for offset, we have various corners. We have this corner, we have this corner. So offset will will not attach the corners. For that, we need to do polyline. Polyline. We need to use polyline command. पॉलीलाइन क्या करता है? पॉलीलाइन, अगर मैंने पॉलीलाइन क्लिक किया, then it will ask you for point. I will give them 1 point. Suppose 1 point. It will joint all the line. This will entire be one line. Like if I select all this will be total one line. And in line command, suppose I'll draw like this only, like this. With the use of line command, if I'll draw same object and I'll select, then it will only select one single line. It cannot select entire this portion. So that we will use here polyline for the plinth line to draw. Okay, how that I'm going to tell you now. So polyline gives us entire line, or you can draw arc with polyline also. I will show you that also, how to draw arc with polyline. This is polyline. I will select, then I will give one starting point, then I will go for a line. Then here I want to draw arc. Then how can I do that? I have to just right click from my mouse, and here you can see various options. Also you can see here arc. I will just click on the arc and it will give you the arc. It will ask you the radius of that arc. You can see the arc. Can you see it? Please reply in chat box. Okay, so it will give you the arc. Suppose I will ask for 4 and enter. Can you see it? If I escape, this will be our line plus arc, that is polyline. Okay, and also I will select this, that's entire line, and arc also will get selected. Okay, I will just delete it. So for that we will draw polyline first, and we will then give offset to the polyline. First I will select polyline command, then I will give points. You just concentrate on my activities or on my command handling. Okay, here I will close. This will be our polyline. When you now, if I select this entire line gets selected. Entire our line plan gets selected. But with the line, if I select this only one line will get selected, and that will not give us the proper offset. Now with this polyline, we will give the offset for our plinth line. Okay, so I will select offset command, then I will just click on any 1 point or any 2 point and select object, and it will ask you for the distance. I will just click on 0.3 and it will. Can you see the offset line? The plinth line of our house, right? After our work, we can also delete this polyline, or we can keep it, whatever. Now this you can see here in our line plan, in my earlier line plan, this line is dotted line. In line plan, plinth line is always shows with a dotted line or hidden line. As Shubham sir told you last lecture, that these are called hidden lines. Okay, how to do that hidden lines? Now we will see. Just I have shown you the color, how to change the color. Below that, there are two bilayer commands. Select one bilayer and select other. You will get this icon of line type. You have to just load it before selecting anything. We have to load in our workspace which line you want. I will click on the load. It will give you entire types of lines. You can see here every line: center line, dash line, hidden line, divide line, dot line. Okay, so we want hidden line for our plinth line. I will select hidden, just OK it, and it will get loaded in the workspace of our AutoCAD. Okay, are you getting me all? I can see the chat box, so that I'm asking you again and again. Then I will OK it, and then I will select this our plinth line, and I will go with the bilayer and hidden line. Can you see it? Can you see the change? Our plinth line has become hidden line. Okay, now you can see our line plan is ready. You can change the color. Do you want to change the color of plinth line? We can change by just select and go in bilayer. You just want to have any color, you can click on that and it will become green. I have selected green and it becomes green. Okay, have you understood all? Any part of this line plan you want to repeat me, I can repeat it. We can change all the text color, we can change all the line color, everything we can go as per as new generation want colorful drawing, they can do it with this. I'm sure they will do it. I want all, or I want those who have installed their AutoCAD in their laptop, please practice it of any of your choice design or your house design. Just this is just a top view. We are not getting into the details. This is just a top view with the help of line. Okay, you can easily do it. I will just change the color of this to red. Okay, do you like it all? It's easy, no? We don't need any pencil, we don't need any paper, we don't need any scale, and we can draw it with just one click. It's very easy to understand AutoCAD software. You can just sit at your home and you can draw various big plans. This is our line plan is ready. Anything you want to ask? Anybody? Shubham sir, is there any questions?
No,
ma'am,
ma'am.
no questions.
Okay, so have you, I guess all of you have understood how to draw the line plan. We'll just go with the dimension command next. First command I will tell you in this session. As civil engineers, we have to give the dimensions to all the rooms. Like we have drawn here, bedroom is of 4 by 5 meters. So we have to give the dimensions to the line. Suppose I will draw one line. 4, enter. 5, enter. Okay. Suppose I have to give the dimension to this vertical line. Then what I have to do is, here you can see to the text, there is one dimension icon. Or you can just click, or you can just type DIM shortcut and enter. Okay. It will ask you for the specify objects. Here and here. Just click whatever dimensions you want to give, or whichever line you want to dimension, that you have to just click on both the points, starting point and end point. It will give you the dimensions. Okay, can you see it? We have drawn this for 5 meters and it shows us 5 meters, 5 dimensions. Okay, suppose if we have to change this dimension color or this dimension precisions, we have to reduce, we can go further in. You have to click it. And it will also, we can edit from here, or we just have to right click and it will give you the properties or anything, erase, move, copy, scale, rotate, everything can be done with the right click also. I will go with the properties. Okay, if I'll click on the properties, here you can see one icon or one window has opened. You can select the color you want of dimension line, the size you want of dimension line. Okay, I will go for yellow color. Okay, then these are the arrows. Which type of arrows you want, everything will be asked by you by AutoCAD software, and that you have to change with one click, just one click. We don't need to use eraser, we don't need to use pencils to do that. Okay, this is asking for arrow size. Now it's of 0.18. If you have to draw big drawing, you can increase it so that it can be easily visible. Suppose I'll change to 0.25 will be changed. Okay, you can see here the arrow size has become more. Can you see it? Okay, good. Now I will just escape this, and this is our, I will just close this dimension line, dimension window, and okay. So have you understood dimension command? Everyone, 10th standard students, please reply. Have you enjoyed this session of line plan 2D session? Now tomorrow we are going to have this line plan 3D version. Okay, 3D version of this simple line plan. So I want all of you to practice this line plan or any line plan, or you can draw in blank paper with pencil and scale, and then you try and practice in your AutoCAD software. Those who don't have AutoCAD software, they can easily download it from Autodesk, and in your mobile also you can download, I think. So try for it. Now we don't have any school or any college, so you can regularly, if you practice on this software, you can easily draw it. Okay, you don't need any course, or you don't need anything to teach you or anything to learn. You can easily practice it at your home, and you can draw it easily. Okay, anything you want to repeat me? Shubham sir, any replies?
No, ma'am. No replies.
Okay, so everybody understood? Can type in chat box. So your today's assignment, I'm giving you that you have to draw line plan of your own design or of your own home. Those who have AutoCAD in their laptop or desktop, they can draw it in AutoCAD, click a picture and post it on our WhatsApp group. Okay, of your own design. I'm not asking you to draw this my line plan. Okay, your own design. You are very innovative people. I must say, you all are so innovative that you are doing this from last week. You are replying with such a wonderful sketches, such a wonderful assignments you are doing. I'm sure you will easily draw this. And those who don't have AutoCAD software in their laptop, they can draw it on paper and paper with the use of pencil and scale, and post a photo of your line plan on our group. Understood, all of you? Any problem? How many of you downloaded AutoCAD? Tell me now. Those who have downloaded AutoCAD, they can easily draw it, I think. Okay, so I'll stop presenting, and tomorrow we will be having our 3D session of AutoCAD, right? Today I have introduced you for the 2D session, 2D drawing. Tomorrow we will introduce you with the 3D session of AutoCAD. So be there. I'm sure you all are interested to see 3D sessions, as everybody loves that, right? So I will stop my presentation.
Okay, thank you very much, madam, for the wonderful session. I request all the students to ask if any doubts are there, they can ask their doubts on the webinar group. I will try to share the video related to today's presentation through YouTube on the WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you very much.